Alright, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to try to pick a challenge lock from Fast Charlie called the Jumper. It is encased into that ABIS 8345. I was able to pick that guy in hand not so long ago, and I thought I would put it on video, but tried to pick it a few times, and I actually opened it twice. And since it does not want to open so easily on me, so it seems like this lock has a few hidden features. I don't seem to have his number yet, but so I'm gonna try to pick it. Let's see if I lost my deforest diamond. All right, so let's try to get this guy now, because I really want to see what's in there. So I got a little something off of pin number 3. I got counter rotation in the back. Pin number 2 is solid, but weird solid. Okay, number 1. Oh, number 1 gave me 2 click. Don't know if that was 1 too many. Could be, because I'm definitely ending up in overset world when I have to reset this thing and start over. Oh, there we go. Now I got a super deep false set, which is a good sign, I guess. Okay. So I had counter rotation there. Okay, gave me. Okay, there we go. Now it's picked. I don't think it was picked fully. Okay, now what? Okay, counter rotation from the back. Okay, I got it set, but I heard a few other things drop. And nothing else wants to move. Really interesting. Somehow I feel like I ended up at exactly this. Okay, there you go. I got a little something here. Number 3. No, it's not it. Just gonna try to see if nothing is dropping down. Just hope I didn't overset something right at the beginning there. Oh, no, I think I got counter rotation here. Okay. Got a good click. Oh, there we go. Nice. So let's see what's in there. Really glad to finally get one of Fast Charlie's lock picked, because I got 2 other locks from him. This guy, that's called You Try You Win. Look at the crazy bidding on there. Never had any luck with this guy or this one. It's called Green Roommates. Look at the craziness on there. So I'm still not able to open these guys, but this one has a pretty decent bidding. It's okay, so great. So I'll be able to see what's in there, because I've put a lot of time on this one and it gave me really random results. Okay. Get the clip off. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's the Z bar for the key retaining, I think. So this one is a little special. You need to push that pin just slightly, And I'll need to shim this thing. Okay. Now let's hope for the best. So far, so good. All right. So what do we got here? Let me get the key. Trying to give you a little idea of what's going on in there. Wow, that's loose. So lots of interesting things going on in the keep-ins. So number one is a torpedo-like spools. I got serrated in 2. 3 has the top portion serrated as well. That number 4 is super loose in the chamber, so it really got thinned down, and there's a lot of countermilling in the core that I can see already. Another torpedo-like. So what do we got in there? Wow, massive countermilling in 4 and 5, threading in 2 and 6. That's a lot of work has been done in the core. Let's see what's on top. So that's number 1, is serrated. I got a lightly serrated in 2. We got a 2-part, or maybe it just broke off. Not sure. We'll look into it a little bit later. It doesn't look to be a pin, but or it has broken off in 2 parts. We'll see. Oh, different spring. So number 6. Oh, another 2-part. So maybe they're designed like that. And there we go. Now let me get my headlights. Try to see if we got. So from here I see threading in, where's number 1? Okay, and 1, 2, 4. I don't know how it did that though. He could not have done threading from the top, so these must be from the stock lock. Oh no, from the bottom. Okay, there we go. So he went through the bottom and went, okay, threading in 1, 2, 4, and that's it. The jumper. Alright, very nice lock. I'm pretty glad I got this guy open, because it's been giving me a lot of trouble. I'm trying to be consistent at it. So here's what we got. Let me put this down so I don't do a mess. So we got lightly serrated there. This guy is reversed. We got a lightly serrated 2 serration on this. So this guy, what the heck's with that guy? So it's kind of mushroom with some sort of a wafer with light threading. So technically that actually makes the lock easier to pick, technically, because you got 2 possible shear line right there. Otherwise it will give you a bit of a trouble there, that's for sure. So So that's a wild looking pin right there. With a wild looking keep in this. This is crazy. Same kind of double pin in number 5 with a nice keep in torpedo like. Another torpedo in 6 with a slightly serrated top pin. So really nice. And there was a lot of work done in the core. Probably explains all the trouble I had. I don't know if this flat section was done on purpose or it was part of the original. It seems to be reworked. So that flat portion probably gave them a lot of loose between the pins there at the shear line. So there we have it. So that was the Jumper by Fast Charlie. That was given to me by Dan Brass. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for the lock. Thanks, Dan Brass, for sending this my way. And Fast Charlie, took a little break there, but I will be working on your 2 totally crazy locks. I guess I'll need some different picks to deal with that though. So hopefully I'll get these out on video soon. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time.